Proverbs. What are the proverbs? Proverb is a simple, concrete, traditional saying that expresses a perceived truth based on common sense or experience. Here are some of them which we can use while talking to someone in English in our daily life. Number one is don't judge a book by its cover. That means don't judge someone or something by appearance alone. Actions speak louder than words. That means what you do is more important than what you say. Cleanliness is next to godliness. It's good to be clean. God is clean, so you should be too. Better late than never means it's better to finish something late than to never do it at all. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. That means being away from someone for a period of time makes you appreciate that person. A picture is worth 1,000 words means an image can tell a story better than the words. All good things must come to an end means everything ends, good times don't last forever. A washed pot never boils. That means if something takes time to do, it doesn't help to constantly check on it. Give it time. Beggars can't be choosers means if you are in bad situation and someone offers to help you and you shouldn't ask for more. Beauty is in the eye of beholder meaning what is beautiful is different for each person. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. That means don't make someone angry or hurt someone who is helping you. Don't count chickens before they hatch means don't expect a positive result before you actually see it. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. That means don't put all of your hopes and resources into one goal or dream. Don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. That means if you can do something today, do it. Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't put too many irons in the fire. That means don't try to do too many things in the same time. Focus on one thing at one time. Easy come, easy go. When you make money quickly, it's very easy to lose it quickly as well. God helps those who help themselves. That means don't just wait for good things to happen to you, work hard to make them happen. Honesty is the best policy. That means it's always better to tell the truth than is to lie. Hope for the best and prepare for the worst. In any situation, be optimistic about the result, but always be ready for the worst outcome. The grass is always greener on the other side. That means people always want what they don't have. There is no place like home. That means your home is the most comfortable place in the world. While in Rome, do as the Romans do. Means when you are in new place or situation, try to act like the majority of people in that place or situation. Where there is smoke, there is fire. That means if something seems wrong, there is usually some truth to our humor. Strike while the iron is hot. That means take advantage of the moment. Look before you leap means make sure you have looked at the situation and really understand it before you take a big action or step. Rome was not built in a day. That means take your time and do it right. Learn to walk before you run. All things will come in time, but you must be patient and go through the proper process. It's never too late to mend. That means it's never too late to change your wrong ways or habits. Don't blow your own trumpet. That means avoid proudly talking of your achievements and success in front of others. Empty vessels make much noise. That means foolish or stupid people are the most talkative. Barking dogs seldom bite. That means people who appear threatening rarely do harm. All is fair in love and war, meaning one can break the rules of fair play under extenuating circumstances. All is well that ends well. That means as long as the outcome is good, problems on the way don't matter. Every cloud has a silver lining, means every bad situation has some good parts of it. No news is good news. That means even though it's difficult to know nothing about what's happening, it's still better than hearing bad news. If you play with fire, you will get burnt. Means if you get involved in something dangerous, you will probably experience negative consequences. Good things come to those who wait. That means if you are patient, good things can happen. Laughter is the best medicine. Means when you are in a difficult situation, laughing can make it easier to get through that situation. Like father, like son is said when a son is similar to his father, also like mother, like daughter. Blood is thicker than water. That means relationship with family, with blood relatives is stronger than other relationships. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.